Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create video views as your audience na pwede mong i-retarget later on. This is the second ad account that I created for one of my clients' business manager. She has only one ad account, so I created two more. And I did the testing on the second ad account, yung ginawa ko. Kasi, just in case something goes wrong, at least the main ad account is safe, okay? I'll show you how to do that and how to share assets in another video. Yung traffic ito, no? I run this traffic and this has no particular audience. No custom audience, no lookalikes, no nothing, or no, not even saved audience. Carpet bomb means wala kang targeting at all, walang detailed, walang saved audience, walang custom, walang LAA. Okay? This is how it goes. I will show you. So, this is called carpet bomb. Wala kang ginamit na kahit anong audience. I only use the location because I'm only going to target people who live from the Philippines. So, hindi ko binago yung ibang factors because that's what carpet bomb is all about. Lahat ay naka-default except sa location. Alright, makes sense naman, di ba? Because we are only, or this ad is only targeting people who live in the Philippines. So that's carpet bomb. Wala siyang specific audience or hindi pa targeted ang audience nito. Because sometimes people are interested with something kahit hindi sila interested dati, there could be a chance na maging interested sila dito. That's why we are running video ads or any kind of ads like 5 to 7 times daw before someone can get interested into something. So that's one of the reason. And this is also to feed our datas with fresh feeds, okay? That's why I'm trying to tell everyone to keep your video short. Kasi po, ang tendency, hindi rin naman tatapusin yan. And we need to make bawi dun sa ating headline and then dun sa ad copy. Maraming tamad talaga manood ng video, lalo na pag nakita nilang when they started the video, mukhang matagal pa bago matapos. Kaya po, very ideal na yung video is only about 15 to 20 seconds. Okay. And then, after that, kasi nag-drive ako ng traffic sa kanyang website. And of course, because of that, there are already datas that the pixel has already gathered through this campaign. After nun, ni-retarget ko sila and I used conversion. That's the second ad I ran. So, this is a cold ad and this is the warm ad. How much people watched this video? And it was like 7.23% and 8.20%. That's only about 0.04 seconds. Ganun lang kaikli. And that is because people are so tamad manood ng video. Pagka nakita nila na pag-play nila, mahaba pala, they will just stop it. So don't push it, people. Don't create a really, really long video. It's not really worth it. And next is, I will show you the other video. After nito, syempre, pag niretarget ko siya, I don't want to show people the same video. Kasi baka sabihin nila, yan na naman, they're not gonna click it. So, I use a different video. And this one, we use this creative. This video is only 19 to 20 seconds. And see how much watch it gathered. It gathered about 42.80% percentage of video watched. And that's more than the other one. This one has 0.08 seconds. So, mas maganda yung performance nito. Now, what I'm going to do, because that one has better performance, I'm going to use that one to create video view audience. So dito po tayo, punta tayo sa audiences. And then, gagawa tayo ng custom audience. We're going to pick video. Because I have a very good percentage from that one, I will click 25% because its average 40%, ito, medyo ideal na. And then, pipiliin natin yung video na yon. So, punta tayo sa kanya. Ito siya, okay? So, piliin natin siya. And then, let's just put 90 days. Medyo ideal na yan para sa akin. And then, we will put video view as a name. Video views, 25%. Okay, yan pangalan ng audience natin. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng audience. Then, we will wait 30 minutes for it to populate. And after that, pwede nyo na siyang magamit sa paggawa ng bagong ad or wait till it's populated and then create a lookalike audience from that. So that's how you make video views audiences. That's all for now, and I'll see you next video.
Whoa, oh, oh, la, 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 oh, oh, la, 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 oh,